Hello.
There we go. Hey.
We are online. Where's paper? Where? Oh, yo, let's go, Link. All right, let's color
With the
commentary.
classic
I'll cheer
Link.
for Link. You cheer for.
I respect that. None of this
Wow.
Breath of the Wild
Okay.
or whatever, dude.
Sorry, I'm adapting to modern culture. You swine. Why is he player 3? I guess he just likes the yellow.
Yeah, no, I respect that.
Anyways, do you see what stage we're going to?
I did not. PS1.
PS1. Pull out that bomb. He did pull out the bomb. Tragic. I love these double rolls. I triple roll a lot.
You get away with it. Oh, going for the dare, but that's not gonna.
Oh,
not gonna work out.
well, thank you, BioLoad. Good to see you here. But anyways.
Oh!
Ooh! I love that so much. So yeah, that reverse up B has such a wonderfully gigantic scoop.
Yeah, it's
No reason, but
crazy big.
it's a thing. And yo, Dachi. Thanks for watching. Oh, he went for it again. Marth gonna snuff that out and counter, not counter.
That's got a bit of a. Oh!
Oh, yeah, that's strong as heck. So I want to see these bomb play. I'm not seeing any bombs.
Yeah, he's. I kind of just see him like throwing out moves.
No, it's Dachi.
Oh, I like what he was trying to go for.
King Dachi.
Barely gonna miss that guy.
Oh my Skittle shield.
You're crying.
Probably be paying attention more.
Oh, try to go for the tipper, but gonna miss it.
Yeah, I feel like with all that end lag that he was gonna have with that up B, he really didn't need the space. He could have just charged it up. Not much he can do to drift away from an F smash. But hey, you know, misses in one direction, just swing her the other way. Big old Master Sword.
Gotta get him with the tipper up tilt though.
Jesse.
Double roll.
It's kind of funny just seeing the swords like, it's just a complete sword game. I'm not seeing theirs. Marth doesn't do anything except for his sword.
Oh,
Tragic.
Also,
Tragic.
Red White is really like down spin, I've noticed. He just kind of runs around and sometimes just like down.
That's good.
It's not a bad move at all.
My man Birdman likes his F smashes.
He does.
Oh, and arrow. Let's go arrow. Oh, Wi-Fi now. Oh, a combo. Riveting. Ooh, he reads that air dodge with that little up air. Oh, he reads another air dodge. Oh, man. Red, white, F smash? Oh, okay. I thought he was going to full style.
He wasn't feeling it.
How do you feel it now, Mr. Crab? Let's go high up B.
Makes me so upset every time I see anybody land a link up B.
Dude, it's so good. Yeah, he's going to shoot that arrow in the opposite direction. That was definitely a misinput. But he's neutral get up F smash. The biggest of mix-ups.
Oh, I thought that tipper for a second. That back air spacing was almost really good.
Oh, he went for the hard roll read.
He just keeps barely missing these bears.
Yeah, my man Birdman is just going for these reads and a half. Oh, he's out of a jump.
But he's living.
Oh, he's
but
not
he
out of a
saved
jump. I thought he was out of a jump. Well, hot diggity dang. A B. A B. Do it. Reverse. Dang. And oh, hot diggity dog.
That was almost a good move.
Oh, I am backseat gaming. And by that I mean he went. Sorry.
My man Harduri is the happiest man alive right now.
Sorry, I just popped off a little bit.
A little bit.
Oh, that's so freaking cute. Oh my god. We'll see.
Oh, wow.
I didn't bring my money. I'm sad. This is exactly how I picture my Spiel partner, just on my shoulder as we walk, conquering the world.
200%. Oh, I feel like he could have went for the up there. But
Yeah. Oh, but he's just like, I'm planting this in Ganondorf's skull. I see it.
I go out on my own terms.
I cannot afford to lose.
So yeah, that happened.
Yeah, that did happen. Do you want me to hold it?
That's the thing. Yeah, I'm busy. Caleb, this is mine for the rest of the night.
If you want to, I was gonna say, did you think what
Take it away from him.
He's so cute. Seal is
pretty-
like the cutest. Yeah, the cutest Pokemon.
Yeah, no.
Look at those teeth. Oh. He's mine for the dead. Yeah, you're right. There's no camera. Oh, I was gonna like shove him in the face of the camera.
Alright, sticking with his guns, though. Or staying
Yeah.
with the link.
Yeah, I mean, I want to see more Nairs.
Yeah.
Not to be
I want to see less death.
pathetic. Well, yeah. Honestly.
But anyway, that's fine.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, that last game, he was bringing it back. He was at like 50%, and does he have a turn?
Yeah.
Sorry, can I kick you off commentary so I can have you put it back in the show?
Yeah.
Hi, Lunik.
Hey, it's me.
This feels good to commentate with you.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Edge guard by the Marth player. So looks like we're not having quite a safe neutral from the Link player. Not able to use materials enough, but honestly, I'd just like to see more projectile.
Yeah, he's really favoring his smash attacks and dash attack like a lot, which isn't the greatest thing for Link. But it's got last game he lived to like 205% and Marth was at 60, so it's definitely doable.
It looks like playing a little more carefully in the neutral right now. Ooh,
Oh yeah,
no.
getting scared of that F smash. Yeah, it looks like Red White figured something out from the last game. He's playing really, really well right now.
Probably just really, honestly, the stage is looking like a bag counter pick from Birdman here.
Oh yeah. Dechi's dead.
Yeah, he doesn't really use many defensive options. Very
Oh, but big bad dash attack, sending Marth all across the stage.
He's got that Hylian strength.
That strength to stop a Lionel. I feel like Death Battle would have calculated how much force he has. Oh, he fast fell that. Yeah, that's gonna be a death. Unfortunate. It's up to Red White though.
Alright.
The day is mine.